So Spencer,
Yeah, Joe.
we talk a lot about foam and polyurethane foams specifically. Now, I've only recently learned that there's actually numbers associated with the type of foam called ILD. What is that?
That's indention load deflection.
Indention load deflection.
And if you don't know what it is, neither do I. meaning because it's such a, there's a density of a foam, and then there's the feel of a foam, and there's two different components, but you can definitely research it. It's really scientific that I can't even explain it, but it's a measurement we go by to create the overall feel. So when we order our foams from a foamer, a company that makes foam, we'll order an ILD, say a poundage, and then how much indention load deflection it can take.
Okay, so give us a range. What's the range on the scale of an ILD?
So I've seen them at the 600 in spring. So in springs they even have an ILD. Yeah, but I know. Well, my point. No. The reason, Joe, the reason I'm saying that is ILD is a term in engineering, I suppose, not necessarily foams that can be applied to anything. Indention load deflection. So okay. I know it in the foam.
Well, let's stick to foams.
Okay.
Let's stick to foams.
Sorry, I didn't mean to ramble, but
ILD foams. Give us the range.
Okay. Oh God, ILD.
POS to really good.
Okay, so an ILD. Well, see, that's the feel. You can get a nice ILD. You're talking about the pounds. That's different. Yeah, POS in your terms would be the pounds. A 1 pound to 2 pounds.
We'll do a different video on that. So the ILD
is going to be the comfort level.
Is going to be the comfort level. So what's the range? The number.
Oh, range? So you would do a 14, 19, 22, 24.
So what's a 14 versus
it's
a
softer.
24?
It's going to be a softer.
So how firm can you get?
75. It's like
what's that going to feel
like? A brick.
It's like a brick.
It's like a brick.
What do you use in hard ass beds? Close to.
50. We
50?
use a 50 in the top quilt. And
what do you use in your plushest?
14s, 19s, and that's the same in latex foam too.
Oh, so you can get a 14 ILD latex?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. I didn't know that.
Yeah, so that's
I was about to ask. So is a 14 ILD latex going to feel different than a 14 ILD foam?
Yes, because it's latex.
So what's the...
Latex has more of a rubberized feel to it, and that's just a different texture. So
okay.
So it's different.
This is going to bring me to my next topic. Thanks for watching.
Yeah.